Good morning, friends. I'm back again. And today, let's all of us work together to consume some of the capsules to give us positive energy so that we can all again blossom into a better person and feel good. I'm Dr. Geeta Iyengar, retired professor in sociology and psychology. Once again, welcome to my channel on positivity. So, what do you think the first one would be? Is when we get up. We try to get up early so that you will hear the birds chirping, you will see the sun rising, and you will feel nice. Be grateful for all the surroundings that has made you what you are and that's going to make you what you are. So, that is the first capsule you pop in, and once you are ready with that, go ahead with your exercise, a daily exercise. It should become a matter of habit. Like you are brushing your teeth, you do your exercise, you do yoga. What is important is to meditate. It can be 2 minutes, it can be 5 minutes, because this gives you an opportunity to look within yourself, to be with yourself, and then you'll be able to be with others outside. So you pray, you meditate, and do some exercise. There's no age for this. At any age, you can do your exercise and do whatever you're capable of. We all should do what we are able to do, and that should give you happiness. Whatever you do you should get joy out of it. And the next after that is food, and it's very important to feed your body. You have fed your mind, you have fed your soul, now you feed your body. So what you're going to eat, be conscious of what you're eating. Be happy whenever you eat food. It should make you feel nice, it should make you feel at peace. So decide. There are some good food, sometimes there are spicy foods, nowadays you get instant foods. Whatever you try to eat as much as food that is fresh for you, like fruits. Eat anything that is freshly cooked, and eat slow, eat well, see every part, enjoy, be with the food. Don't watch TV, don't watch anything when you're eating. Be with yourself, you and your food. Relate and connect to your food like you connect to your exercises. So, nowadays, all of us, the youngsters, teenagers, children, adults, seniors, all of us, we always watch TV, watch our WhatsApp messages, watch our mobile while eating. So many times we don't even know what we are eating, how much we are eating, and how fast we are eating. So please be conscious of it, connect to your food, connect to that energy which is going to give you energy. So that is very important. And once you have done, once you are happy that food, it should give you joy, then go and look at yourself in the mirror. Are you dressed well? Is it appealing to you? It should also, first, you should feel fine. You should respect yourself, give dignity to yourself. And once you appreciate yourself, others will automatically appreciate. And anyway, that doesn't matter. What is important is you should feel good looking at yourself. Dress yourself. It may be simple, humble. It need not be expensive clothes. No. What is important, you should feel comfortable. You should feel casual. You should feel at home, and you should enjoy what you're wearing. The next thing that you have to do, once you have respected yourself, move on, make friends. Come out of your house. Once in a way, look around, make friends, make light minded friends with whom you are happy, you laugh. Laughter, smiling, all are going to bring positive energy in you. Because if we are, anyway, we all have our portions of sadness, our portions of frustrations. We get depressed sometimes, but we don't have to dwell with it. And who are the best people who can bring you out of the shell? Your friends. When you are in a company of good people, good friends, nice friends who appreciate you, we all want appreciation, we want attention. And if that you get outside, spend some time with them, you will feel very nice. And then you also should get appreciation with your family members. Spend some time, have some family time at home. Even if you want to watch a TV, if you want to play games, if you want to just chat, do it with the family. Be happy. Don't judge. Let they accept each member of the family as they are, and you would long to it. Today's world, we are so much into ourselves, we don't know, even if there are 4 members or 5 members, each one is with their laptop or with their iPad or with their mobile. Try to be with each other. These props that you find are going to give you temporary satisfaction, temporary good feeling, but their family plays a very important role for you, and they are the people, they are the pep pills for you. So try to spend more time with your family, joke around, be casual. You don't have to have serious discussion with the family. Just be, let all of us as family members be as we are, accept each other as we are, and you see how your life will be wonderful. And then after doing that, here comes the evening. Go for a walk, develop a hobby. Go walk with nature. And when you go with nature, some people love watching nature, watching birds. That is also hobby. So let's all develop a hobby. It can be painting, music, it can be collecting flowers, collecting coins, anything that you think of. You can spend some time with those, and which also helps you to learn. Hobbies helps us to learn, and there's no age to learn. At any age you can learn. Every time you learn, that whatever is this passion in you, whatever likings you had in you, that comes out. So give an opportunity for yourself to blossom. And then as the night comes, it's time to sleep. But before sleeping, take your children out, look at the stars. Nowadays, who has the time to see the sky? Whether there is full moon, new moon. So go, look at the sky, look at the moon, look at the stars. Enjoy, keep some time, gaze at them, which has become such a rare phenomenon today. Children are so glued to the TV or doing their homework. All that is fine. We all are sitting, the mother is cooking in the kitchen, the father with the laptop, and children are doing their homework. Instead, all of you just leave all that work 1 hour before you go to sleep. Just come out, look at the nature, look at outside, just sit in the breeze, even if it's dark. Sit for 10 minutes, that's all we are all going to do. We are going to ask each of us, put this as a kind of a responsibility for ourselves to grow well, to feel better. And then it's time to sleep. And before sleeping, put all your gadgets to sleep, at least one. We all should do that. We have to put our mobiles, our laptops, and whatever we have, things that we are addicted to or which makes us work. They are good things for some time, but 1 hour before sleep or even 2 hours before sleep, just shut it off. Sleep early. And when you sleep early, your dreams will be good. You will feel good when you get up in the morning. You will feel so nice. You relive your life. And that time when you feel, your morning will really be good. And I want all of us to feel that. And all of us take a pledge that if I want to feel good, if I want to be good, and if I want joy, I will sleep early. Early to bed and early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy, and wise. Was said long before. So let's all take a pledge. Let's all make this as one good habit and make it a big capsule for what? For bringing joy, happiness, and peace. Thank you once again, and bye. See you next time.